Hi everyone, my name is Tom Gabbard. I'm the CEO and one of the co-founders at Milestone. And one of the questions I get asked all the time is, how much will it cost to outsource my accounting? And this is a common question because most startup or scale-up or entrepreneurial companies are sensitive to cash. After all, you want to make sure that the money you spend will be worth the investment. So the first thing to do in answering this question is to identify who will be doing the accounting, because the answer to this question will make a big difference in the cost. There are low-end, inexpensive bookkeeping services out there. We've all seen them, but I will tell you to be careful. You can go online and you can find an ad for monthly bookkeeping services that start around $100 a month. But you need to understand what you're getting. Most of the low-end service providers are using some sort of automation technology that helps to categorize your transactions, or they're using offshore resources, or both. And don't get me wrong, I'm a big fan of technology to drive automation and efficiency. We pride ourselves in using best-in-class technology at Milestone for this exact reason. What you don't want, though, is a service that relies solely on technology and they don't provide a professionally trained bookkeeper or accountant that is really paying attention to your account and is accessible when you need them. You tend to get what you pay for with those services. And then at the other end of the spectrum are the CPAs out there that are doing bookkeeping. And I'm not knocking CPAs. I'm one myself. But this is probably your most expensive option, and also probably not the best choice. The traditional CPA firm is set up to provide tax and audit and assurance services, and they're great at what they do. But often the CPA firms are doing bookkeeping as a side gig, and it's not their core competency. And hourly rates for bookkeeping services at a CPA firm are typically higher than market and can range between $100 an hour and $300 an hour, depending on the geographic location and who's doing the work. And the other thing to keep in mind about working with a traditional CPA firm is that they may not be the right fit regardless of the cost. What you really want as a small business owner is someone that can help you prepare meaningful financial statements that support good decision making. It isn't necessary to have an accountant with a CPA credential to help you. It's more important that you find a firm or a fractional accountant that understands your industry and understands how to leverage best-in-class technology to create efficiencies and provide a good flow of information. And this is usually not a CPA firm. So now that we've provided some background information to help you make a good decision, let's talk about the costs themselves. When it comes to cost, the simple answer is that it depends on what you need, and there are a number of factors that come into play. If you're talking about simple bookkeeping, things like paying the bills and sending out invoices and collecting deposits and reconciling your bank account, that can be done for as low as a few $100s a month, or it can be as much as a few thousand. And again, it depends on the complexity and the volume of transactions. If you're looking for more than just bookkeeping, though, and you want someone that can help you prepare financial statements and serve as a sounding board and help you make good business decisions, that's the next level up. And companies looking for this level of support, along with basic bookkeeping, can expect to spend between $100 or $1,000 rather, and as much as $5,000 a month, depending on the scope of services and the time involved. But regardless of your needs, I would encourage you to do your homework and find the right accountant for your business. There are a lot of options available, but the right accountant is the one that understands your business and provides you with good information to make smart decisions and is reasonably priced for the services they provide.